In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live on TikTok with your TikTok shop. Before we jump into the steps, let's make sure we're all set up and ready. One important thing to remember is that you need to be at least 18 years old to go live on TikTok. Additionally, you should have at least 1,000 followers. This requirement helps ensure your audience is sufficient to engage with during your live session. Also, make sure you've got an approved TikTok Shop seller account. This ensures that everything runs smoothly when you're live and ready to showcase your products. Now, let's dive into getting started. Begin by launching your TikTok app. Once you're in, look toward the bottom center of your screen. You'll see a plus sign icon right there. Go ahead and tap on that. This is your gateway to creating content, and today we're focusing on going live. Once you're in, you'll need to swipe across to the Live tab at the bottom of the screen. As you do this, keep an eye out for the TikTok Shop Live option. You may have this available, and selecting it will enable you to highlight your products directly during your live broadcast. Now that you've navigated to the right screen, we're going to set up your live stream for success. First, think about your live stream title. This is crucial. Make sure it's catchy and relevant, something that will pull viewers in from the very beginning. After all, first impressions count. Alongside your title, you'll want to choose the products from your TikTok shop that you plan to feature during the live stream. This is your chance to display the items you're passionate about and excite your viewers. Next, take a moment to adjust some additional settings. Consider adding a striking cover image. This helps people scrolling through know exactly what to expect from your stream. Also, explore the various filters available that might complement the visuals of your products or simply add a fun touch to the stream. Don't forget to check moderation options. Being prepared can make all the difference in ensuring a smooth and pleasant experience for both you and your audience. With everything ready to go, it's time to launch into the live experience. All that's left to do is tap the Go Live button. This action will begin your streaming session. As you go live, engage naturally with your audience, spotlight your products, and make sure to enjoy the process. It's an exciting way to connect with your followers and reach potential new customers live. And there you have it. You've just learned how to go live with TikTok Shop, helping transform your page into a dynamic hub for interaction and commerce. Take these steps to elevate your TikTok experience, and who knows, you might just find a loyal audience waiting to hear from you next time you go live.